dry, fresh, and fabulous. We're spinning a tale of the best clothes dryers that get the job done, faster and better. This intro is short, energetic, and highlights the benefits of a good clothes dryer, setting the tone for a video that showcases their features and capabilities. Number 5. Vivahome Electric Clothes Dryer 3.5 cu f13 pounds. Vivahome Compact Electric Dryer offers premium material construction with durable galvanized steel and stainless steel drum, ensuring a long service life. Its powerful 1500W capacity can dry a variety of clothes, from t-shirts to towels, all at once. The dryer features 4 drying modes including Fast Dry, Delicate Dry, Air Dry, and Timer Dry, catering to different fabric types. Additionally, its compact design allows for versatile installation methods, saving space in your apartment or laundry room. Number 4. Frigidaire Large Capacity Electric Dryer. The Frigidaire Frey 4120W Large Capacity Electric Dryer allows you to fit more clothes in every load, and features 10 dry cycles including quick dry, active wear, and sanitize. Personalize your drying with options such as My Cycle and Eco Dry, and choose from 5 dryness levels to achieve your desired results. Number 3. Compact Laundry Dryer. Portable electric dryer is a powerful and easy to use solution for your laundry needs. With 1500W power, it dries clothes quickly at temperatures up to 150 F, perfect for rainy days. The various drying modes make laundry convenient and healthier. Enjoy the quiet operation that prevents tangles and wrinkles. Its compact size and portability suit small spaces like apartments and RVs, offering a versatile drying solution for all. The portable electric dryer ensures a hassle-free and efficient laundry experience. Number 2. Kenmore 29 Electric Dryer. Kenmore Electric Dryer offers 7.0 cu f of space for various loads. SmartDry Plus technology adjusts drying temperatures and times automatically, eliminating the guesswork. The Wrinkle Guard mode prevents wrinkles for up to 40 minutes after the cycle, ensuring crisp clothes. The drop-down door provides easy access for sorting laundry and acts as a convenient resting spot for your clothes basket. Number 1. Kenmore 29 Electric Dryer with Wrinkle Guard. 7.0 cu f. Kenmore Electric Dryer. Wrinkle Guard offers SmartDry technology that adjusts temperatures and times for precise drying. Wrinkle Guard to keep clothes wrinkle-free. Customized drying with multiple temperature settings and a spacious 7 cu f capacity. The SmartDry technology ensures no heat damage or over-drying. Wrinkle Guard prevents set-in wrinkles. Customized drying adapts to various laundry types, and the large capacity handles different load sizes efficiently.